the job.
Yeah, no cell phones on the job, but this is audio, this is video, baby, video.
I'm gonna rip you up.
Yeah, Mr. Fix-All and Mr. Equinox right over there doing real man's work. Look at the muscles. There's our gym right there. That's the gym. Hey guys, it's Thomas with Mr. Fix-All Home and Garden. Next time we're on another project, demoing this big back porch with all this concrete. And we're going to put in a custom-made wooden deck, multi-tiered patio with a hot tub and a pergola. There's my boy Joe behind me, and I'm Thomas with Mr. Fix-All. Out over in Wake Forest, North Carolina, doing another big job. We wanted to give you guys all a heads up. This is a referral, and we're getting it done. We're demoing it, fixing some of the problems, and then we're going to start building a monster deck in here. Say hi to YouTube! What's up? Alright, we're out of here. We'll see you guys later. Stop. This is all Home and Garden on another project. Bye.